It's almost time for the 2021 Summer Reading Challenge, and once again, we're using the Wandoo Reader program as an option for you to use to keep track of the books you read. And this is what it'll look like on your computer screen when you get to the login screen. This is for the adult program. And if you used it last year and remember your username and password, you can log in right here and jump right back in. You can also reset your password if you don't remember it. But if you're new to the program, you're going to want to go to join here and create an account. And this is a very standard registration form here. You got your first and last name, your email address, pick a username, pick a password. Roseville Public Library is preset. We ask for your phone number in case we need to contact you, and your library card number because this year the summer reading program is open to Roseville library card holders only. Create your account and you'll be good to go. And I remember my account from last year, so I'm going to log it in right here. And here we are in the program. And the summer reading program is very, very simple. All we want you to do is read any books that you like and tell us about them. And for every book that you do read, you enter the prize drawing for, we have various prizes this year. The grand prize is once again the $100 gift card to Mr. Paul's Chop House here in Roseville. And there are other prizes as well. So where it says log my reading here, you're going to enter titles. Let's say you read Bleak House by Charles Dickens. And you'll notice that that is not showing up here in my suggestions. Some books will show up in the suggestions, but Wandoo Reader is sort of focused toward young readers. You see there's a lot of kids' titles here. If the title you're looking for is not there, just click where it says what you typed right under it. And that works too. Click add a review. Say hi. You can type any review that you want. Type as much as you want to tell us about the book, or as little as you want to tell us. Click a thumbs up or thumbs down. Submit log. In this book tab right here, you can click on and see all of the titles that you've told us about. They're all listed here. So you can see if there's a picture here, that's because I selected that from the presets. And then these two, there was no preset, so it's just a blank book, but it doesn't matter. Both count. And of course, if you prefer to log your reading on a traditional paper ballot that you can pick up at the library and return here, you can do that as well. We'll still have those. But Wandoo Reader just provides another option. And that's pretty much it. That is Wandoo Reader. That is the Adult Summer Reading Challenge this year. If you have any questions about any of this, how to access this, how to use it, ask a librarian. We're always happy to help. And happy reading.